Yeah, rainbow spinner. So we're starting here and we're gonna go around these two lakes and up to Haddo. And we might visit some of the ones off to the left here. Yeah. I'm curious to see how well it goes with that actually. But it's kind of cool to get this on camera, you know. Birthday,
thanks.
But you would keep driving. Alright, Haddo Forest Service Road. The camper can do this. You just gotta.
That one rock.
Yeah, I've seen your dad do worse on Wyoming trips. But no, seriously. I mean, you can ask him, but he probably wouldn't choose to come up here if he knew. Because those roads were all roads that we had. Holy!
I didn't even see that. Did you?
Yeah, that snuck up on us.
Did you see that?
No. It was like colored the right way, and I think the shadows hit it just right. Nice job. We made it. No campfires.
Yeah.
Hey, relax. He's like, this is the best dog park ever. Take it easy, guy. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hey. I know. Just stay near me, dude. Over here. Yeah, run in a circle around me. That's right. Charlie. I've never seen him have the zoomies like this out in nature. Charlie, no. I thought he was gonna slide off. Hey, Charlie. Charlie. He had some of the coffee this morning, I guess, too. No. I got one. I got a fish. You might have spit it just now. Nope, I got him. He's gone.
He popped off.
Yeah, that's what I want anyway. All right, we're all three gonna catch fish right now.
That was yours.
Oh.
Oh, I got one!
It's gonna bring it right up to you.
I'm trying.
Okay, now move your net out of the way. Now get under it. Get under it, Randy. There you go.
Nicely done.
Now hand it up to Ryan. There's silvery rainbows in it.
Yeah. Oh, the meat's different.
Yeah. Was it pink?
Yeah, it was pink. This guy's looking pink too.
I think the boat is. There's a spider in here next to you. Yes.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. My mind bugs.
Well, let me just tell you, the walking is moving. That's right. Watch the line.
Sorry. Oh, it just crawled up in the wrench.
Oh, yep, it's on me.
It's on you.
Did you get rid of it?
I think so.
Was it a black widow?
It looked brown.
Oh yeah, it's a fish for sure.
Ooh.
I'm putting my thing up alongside you, right? Because I'm getting that ready.
Ooh, there he goes.
Oh, you put him on the left side?
I'm letting him go where he's going. I'm not putting him anywhere. Oh, that's a good fish.
Yeah. Nice. Actually, he's smaller than the first one. Yeah, maybe it's the same size.
He's a pretty decent one.
He's really. Oh, it's interesting. His pink looks really red sometimes.
That's probably a 14-inch fish, if I had to guess.